guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Vaishnavi the Kitchen Chef. Today we are going to make a special Mexican dish, tacos. For filling, the ingredients are 2 onions chopped, 2 capsicum chopped, paneer cubes and Szechuan chutney. Take a pan, add oil, add some garlics and saute it. Now add the chopped onions, capsicum, add chili powder, salt, garam masala and 2 teaspoons of Szechuan chutney in it. Mix all the ingredients well and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now add the chopped paneer and stir well. And the paneer filling is ready. The ingredients for making chapati dough are maida flour, oil, water, salt and chili powder. In maida, add salt, chili powder, oil, add some water, mix all the ingredients and make a smooth dough, and the dough is ready. Roll the chapati. Cook the chapati both the sides partly. Take a chapati and fold it into 4. Give a cut from middle only for one side. This will be the 4 parts where we will be doing the filling. Spread white sauce or any other sauce that is available in your house. On the first side we are filling with Szechuan chutney. You can also fill it with any pizza sauce, tomato sauce or any other sauce available. The important point to note is that we should add the heavy filling on the 4th side of the tacos so that it will be easy for us to wrap. Now add the cabbage, tomato, capsicum on the 3rd side. Now add the cheese slice on the 2nd side. Now fold the chapati slowly as shown in the video. Take a tawa, add some butter, place the tacos slowly and roast it both the sides in lower flame for 2 minutes. And the yummy cheesy tacos are ready.